In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore System on Windows 11, updated 2026 full guide. System Restore is a built-in Windows feature that lets you roll your system files and settings back to an earlier point in time, which is useful if a recent change caused issues. It won't touch your personal documents, photos, or videos, but it will undo recent system changes like drivers, apps, and registry tweaks. Start by opening the System Protection settings. Press the Windows key and S together to open Search, type Create a Restore Point, and open it. This launches system properties directly on the System Protection tab, which is where you manage restore points and the drives they're stored on. To begin restoring your system, select System. Restore on this tab. The wizard will open. Choose the option labeled Choose a different restore point, then click OK. You'll see a list of available restore points, typically created before significant events like app installs or Windows updates. Pick the one that lines up with when things were working properly. From here, proceed as prompted on screen. The restore process may take a while and can restart your PC as it rolls system files and settings back to that selected point. During this time, avoid turning off your computer to prevent interruptions. If you don't see many restore points or want to make sure Windows can create them going forward, check your protection settings in the same System Protection tab. To create a restore point in the future, protection must be enabled for the drive you care about, usually your system drive. Select the drive, click Configure, and enable protection inside that window. While you're there, adjust the maximum disk space reserved for restore points. A modest allocation is often plenty. Giving it a few gigabytes, or roughly 5–10% of the drive if space allows, ensures Windows can keep multiple snapshots without filling your storage. Once you've set the space you're comfortable with, click OK to apply the change. With protection enabled and disk space allocated, Windows will be able to save restore points automatically before major changes, and you can also manage them from the same place when needed. This simple setup makes rolling back after a bad driver, problematic update, or configuration mistake much easier and safer. That's it. You've opened System Restore, chosen a different restore point to roll back to, and ensured protection is enabled with sensible disk space so restore points can be maintained. Keep your device plugged in during any restore, and let Windows finish the process without interruption.